been 1 year. What do you think, Hero? Come here, buddy. What do you think? It's been 1 year. You were in this exact spot 1 year ago. What do you think, bud? Hey, are you excited? It's been 1 year. Don't eat the grass. You're not a goat. Enzo, stop. That's nasty. What do you have to say to your fans? What are you doing? You getting dirty? You getting dirty? Did you change your mind? You have something to say now? Quit licking my leg. Is it hot? I love your face when you scratch. What are you doing, you silly? This is what Lucky wanted me to do for him to celebrate 1 year. He wanted a face rub. He likes it with his toy for some reason. Do not know why. Can you dance with it? No, you're just gonna sing? Thank you for singing a little song for all your fans, Lucky. Tucker, what do you have to say about all your fans been watching you for 1 year? Thank you. Hey. What about you? What do you have to say to all your fans? Thank you. Oh, you dropped it. Hold up. Try that again. There you go. You too. There you go. Happy? Yes. Are you happy? Yes. How's everyone doing? Milo, Remy? Oh, they're huge. No, don't. Zuru. Buddy. What are you doing? You're a strange goat. Hey, no, don't kick me. What are y'all doing under there? What are you doing? Oh, sorry. I just stepped on you. That was hot. There's the ducks. There's the mom. Why is everyone following me? I'm not feeding you guys yet. Maleficent, I don't think that's a good idea. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, there's a chicken running. I'm gonna come in the shade with you because it's hot. What are you doing? I don't think you guys recognize the chickens anymore. Yes, they recognize you. You look the same. You just got bigger horns. Please stop eating the camera. Ew. Everybody's running as if I'm gonna feed them. We now have this barn out here with these stalls. The chickens were in here. But now that's just whatever we need it for. Everyone thinks I'm feeding them. What are you doing up there? I'm not feeding you guys yet. Not yet, no. Oh, look. Eggs. Is that a chicken egg? Hold up. I'm not sure if the chickens are old enough to lay eggs, but that's a small duck egg if it's not a chicken egg. Feels like a duck. I don't know. It feels like a chicken. It also feels like a duck egg, but I don't know. Maleficent, what kind of egg is this? Okay. Zuru, what kind of egg is this? Oh, okay. Yep. Milo, what kind of egg is this? Nobody knows. Okay. We also have these little pools out here for the ducks, but they won't stay clean because the ducks are dirty, apparently. What is that? Why is something blue in there? Oh my lord. Here's our baby ducks. There's going to be a video about them next week, I believe on Thursday. Here's the bunnies. We got Pixie, Nala, and Hazel. And their fan, that's Willow. I don't know if you can recognize her or not. That's Eleanor in the back. That's Pocahontas. She doesn't peck as much as she used to, but that's Hope. That one, I believe, is Joy. Oh, the ducks. Be nice. I don't know where all the other chickens are, but they're somewhere. You guys staying cool? Little fan over there. You look tired. And kind of fat. You look fat. You got that going on. Yeah, I'm sorry, but you got that going on. Yeah, I'm sorry. Bye, Remy. Bye, Milo. Maleficent, want to say bye? What are you doing? Bye, Zuru. Bye, girl.